Welcome back. Let's discuss about the discount. What is the discount amount? The discount amount is the amount that is to be subtracted from the original price to get the new selling price. So if there is a discount, it means the selling price, the new selling price is less than the original price. So the prices are reduced. We're going to discuss the formula that we use when doing calculations that involve discount, and then after that we're going to look at few examples. From this statement, we can say that the selling price is equal to the original price minus the discount amount. Please take note of that. There's a percentage discount. Just like the profit, discount can be expressed as a percentage. If they say 40% discount or 20% discount or 50% discount, how can we get that percentage discount, right? Percentage discount will be the original price minus the selling price. Take note, the original price is greater than the selling price. So it is the original price minus the selling price over the original price, or divided by the original price, times 100%. Remember, we don't put this percent in the calculator, we just use 100. But if you check, this original price minus selling price, we say it is what? We said it is the discount amount. So you can just simply say it is the discount amount divided by the original price times 100 over 1. This is the formula you can use when you're calculating the percentage discount. Right, another formula that can be used, this one, the discount amount. How do you get the discount amount from the original price and percentage discount? You just say percentage discount times original price. If it's 20%, just say 20 over 100 times the original price. That gives you the discount amount. And then how do you get the selling price? Let's say you're given the original price and the percentage discount. How can you get the selling price? Remember, with profit, we said 100 plus percentage profit. Since the discount, we are subtracting from the original price. So you have to say 100 minus the percentage discount times the original price. Let me just give you a simple example. Let's say the original price is 1,000 rands and the percentage discount is 20%. So how can we get the selling price here? The new selling price is going to be 100 minus 20 over 100. So which is just like 80 over 100. So if you remove 20% from 100%, you remain with 80%. 80% is just the same as this, 80 over 100 times 1000. And then you get 80 over 100 times 1000, meaning that the new selling price is what? Is 800 rand. Do you see that? So meaning that the discount amount is 200 rands. And the new selling price is 800 rand. And then this is the original price. So you can use this formula to calculate your selling price from the original price and the percentage discount. Right, let's say you are given the selling price and the percentage discount, then you want to find the original price. What can you do? You can use this formula, right? Just check this. It's like we invert this to get this. You see that? So original price will be 100 over 100 minus percentage discount times the selling price. And then this will give you the original price from the selling price and the percentage discount. Please take note of this formula, write them down so that when you start doing examples, you'll be able to apply them. Right, let's look at this example. After the festive season, the price of a laptop was reduced from 8,500 to 6,800 rands. Calculate the percentage discount. So what's the formula for calculating percentage discount? We said percentage discount is equal to original price minus selling price divided by original price times 100 over 1. So meaning that 8,500 minus 6,800 over 8,500, right, times 100% over 1. Okay, then you can put this in the calculator. You'll get that percentage discount is equal to 20%. Right, the other thing we can do, remember we said that you can start by finding the discount amount. Right, we say that the discount amount is equal to the original price minus the selling price is equal to 8,500 minus 6,800. That gives us 1,700. Right, and then you can get your percentage discount from this formula. Percentage discount is equal to discount amount divided by original price times 100% over 1. Percentage discount is equal to 1,700 divided by 8,500 times 100% over 1, which is 20%. So you're getting the same answer. Right, example 2. A shirt costing 550 Rand is reduced by a percentage discount of 40%. Calculate the new selling price. So now we have the original price, we have the percentage discount, we're finding the new selling price. Remember, we say the selling price is equal to 100 minus percentage discount over 100 times original price. So we just substitute what we have. So it's 100 minus 40 divided by 100 times 550. And then you get your selling price, which is 330 rands. The other thing we can do is to get the discount amount first. Remember, we said we can get the discount amount first. Discount amount is equal to percentage discount times original price. So it means discount amount is equal to 40% times 550, which is 220 rands. This is the discount amount. Then we say the selling price is equal to the original price minus the discount amount. That's another formula we talked about. So it's going to be selling price is equal to 550 rands minus 220 rands. So the selling price is equal to 330 rands. That's another way of doing it. Right, example 3. The price of an item after discount of 40% is 1,200 rands. Determine the original price. So now we are given the selling price, percentage discount. We are required to find the original price. Remember, I say the formula is original price is equal to, that's the formula you can use, then times the selling price. So it becomes original price is equal to 100 over 100 minus 40 times the selling price, which is 1,200. Right, then you can put this in the calculator. You get that the original price is equal to 2,000 rands. Okay, you do that. Or we can start with this. We know that selling price is equal to 100 minus percentage discount over 100 times the original price. Right, we have the selling price, which is 1,200. So write 1,200 is equal to 100 minus 40 over 100 times original price, which is 1,200 is equal to 60 over 100 times original price. And then to get the original price here, we have to divide by 60 over 100 on both sides of the equation. Remember, when you're dividing by a fraction, you have to invert the fraction and multiply. We say tip and times. So you can say 1,200 times, now invert this one, becomes 100 over 60, and then is equal to the original price. And then put this in the calculator, it will give you 2,000. So the original price is equal to 2,000.